like fucking drunk Gosu. Oh, give me the pentakill.
Yeah, the
Oh, oh, baby.
Shit.
Holy shit,
Oh,
dude.
yeah.
Holy shit. Oh, yeah. Holy shit,
Drunk.
dude. Give me that pentakill. Oh, yeah.
Drunk Gosu gets a pentakill.
That shit is
Drunk.
jokes, actually. Oh, yeah, dude. Give me that pentakill. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. If Sina Ari just came back into the stream like this, we're just moaning into the chat.
I know, right?
Oh yeah, dude,
Oh,
give me that
yeah.
pentakill. Oh yeah.
Yeah, give me that pentakill, dude.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god, what's going on right now? Like, legit, what's going on right now? And then like starts fucking, and then he pulls up the Justin Bieber. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking
I'm
about.
about to pull out some Justin Bieber right now. Oh, Lulu's about to troll, bro. Look at that. Oh,
Bop
she almost got
bitch.
it. Bye, Felicia.
Buffly. Oh yeah, dude.
See, the thing is, it's a good pick. It's not even that bad if you pick Lucian into Vayne. Cause you have so much burst early, you know? Yo, look at this Lulu just harassing them. Early, dude.
He's like, oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, he's, oh, give me that double kill.
Give me
Oh,
that
yeah.
double kill. Oh, yeah, dude. I'm deep in there, bro.
I saw it.
Oh my god. What's funny about like high elo players is like they can get away with fucking playing poorly. Cause they're fucking top tier.
Yeah, dude. They'd be like, it's okay, I know you're god anyways.
Yeah, pretty much. Legit had a cannon. Oh yeah! Oh, give me that CS! Oh my god, yeah! Oh my god. That was so close. And then like when he has to go to the bathroom, did you see that? Dude, hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. Drops his microphone.
Yeah.
The fucking island. Oh my god, look at my CS, dude. Oh my god. Oh wait, close game, close game.
Look at this, Mumu. I think he hears us.
Gotcha, bitch. A counter gank would be nice here. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Such a bad idea.
I need this cannon though.
Oh yeah. Oh, give me that cannon.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Alright, welcome back, man. We're trying to pretend like we're like drunk Gosu. So we're just moaning into our mics right now after everything.
That's what he does.
Yeah. Just what things you do when you're drunk, you know?
Well, and it's your mic, dude.
Mhm.
Just drop your mic too.
Oh yeah. Legit farm lane. Let me get that max range.
Welcome to the bottom.
Oh no, nothing. Whale come back. Any more good Ari names? Not that I can think of, but I'm pretty sure Lee Sin's here. Look at the way he's playing. It's like super obvious. Yeah, there he is. Oh, I should get away from here.
Oh my god, her neck getting wrecked by the Thrillz, yeah.
What was the one you had said? I kind of missed it. I don't remember. I legit don't remember.
Legit. I mean, sure, Gosu prefers the Infinity Edge build, but I still like Borg first. I just get more. I just like getting more attack speed. You know? Oh yeah. Ooh. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, dude. Oh my god.
Lee Sin's here by me. Okay, our top and jungler just... I don't even know what's going on with them. But I'm pretty sure he's at red buff.
We're necked then. He's gonna get outplayed. Never mind. Oh my god. Top laners, man.
Yep.
I don't want that to really get fed. Now she can just easily jump onto one of us.
Any of us. Oh! Lee Sin flash. Awesome. Good stuff, man. I saw that coming from a mile away, but I don't know.
There's a pink in here? What the hell? Nate pink.
I don't know why I just kept choosing the farm anyways. The Lee Sin must have been sitting there for years.
And Nate listen, dude.
And
He's not like Lee, man.
No. He doesn't walk in, Q, and then walk away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? Okay.
Dude, how about... She's at pay attention.
What the hell? You're the one that flashed in there on a fed fucking mid laner. Spam that. It's
I
good.
mean, what do you mean? He has a Doran's ring, Kevin.
Yeah, but she's fucking doing damage already.
So fed, dude.
So fed. It's like,
Oh my god, dude.
I'm coming in for that Renekton. I'm pretty sure Lee Sin's still up here. I like how Mumu just flashed. Is my stream down? Because it doesn't show up for me, which is weird. No, it's up. Oh, okay. Yay! I'm just saying hi to it. Oh, hello stream. Should probably work on bot lane, honestly. Mid's not doing any better. Pretty sure Nivea has passive too. Yes, text my lane. Hello? No? Okay.
Chill, bruh. Oh. Them's down though.
Fucking bitch. You used a ping for me too.
You know, I saw that on Gosu's stream.
What?
Like, you know how they're low and I just step up to that tower? Oh shit. But yeah, I step up to the tower.
What? Yeah.
And I get the Lucian, I tumble to him, auto, instantly flash back, so it kind of looks like a fadeaway. So I don't get another tower shot.
Hey, my boy.
Nice.
Mid's missing. Probably on drag, honestly. Oh, Nivea's bot lane. She probably has passive, honestly. This is gonna be a hard game.
Dude, I'm like, my eyes.
I mean, they both flashed for me, so I guess it was pretty worth, honestly.
Dude, drunk Gosu, and we'll be like, I'm be like sleepy Thrillz.
Almost got me. So close. Oh my god. Why does he sound like he's having sex? He just sounds like he's getting laid.
I don't understand why he does that.
I don't either. We're just coming to tilt the solution. I'm here.
Tilt this nigga. What? What?
Oh, I grazed that ass, dude. Did you see me graze it? Fucking
graze that ass. Let's go, boys.
This is a bad idea. Considering Amumu was that low. What the hell? And Nivea is nowhere to be found. Oh, that minion wave! Oh my god! Oh, so nice.
That's exactly how Gosu sounds like.
I remember the days I used to roam. Oh my god, he's trying to get on my life. Nivea's missing. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Renekton's only 2-3.
Dude, I wonder how many times I've clicked today. Just right click today.
For real.
You know how strong my middle finger is, dude?
Dude, I've never flipped someone off with such strength.
Like, the amount of times I've right clicked, like, I feel like I could just flip somebody off so many times, dude.
Yo, Lee Sin's on that blue life, though.
Oh, Aurelia, dude. Kevin, counter that, counter that.
Yo, I'm gonna fucking predict this. Oh my god!
What the heck?
Nivea, and they're all bot like, they're all bot side, dude.
What the hell? There's a Zarad here.
Oh, what? Oh, I really.
Oh shit. Guys?
We're fighting here as well.
Guys?
I'll try. I'll try and go there.
Oh, Kevin. Big play, dude. Oh.
Oh, so close. Oh my god. I'm a god, dude. Oh my god. Did you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Did you see that? Max range charm. Oh my god. There's a Z right here. Oh my god.
Max range shot. What is the Renekton?
Oh, Renekton. Oh, I gotta pay attention, dude. Oh, I'm coming in. Coming in hot. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, did you see that? Fuck that bird, dude. Oh, scrambled eggs this morning, bro. Oh my god.
Would you say fuck that birthday?
No, I said fuck that bird, dude. What the hell?
Oh,
I said fuck that bird.
Because of a moo.
Dude, oh my god, I'm coming back for that birthday party, dude.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
My parents are probably just like, what the fuck is he doing in his room? What if I just started like low-key try to chanting Ari's name like that? Ari, oh. Who the fuck is that? Sounds like an Indonesian woman. What kind of name is Ari?
Dude, I couldn't click anything because you're just making me laugh.
Dude, I'm not even taking this game serious. I'm like so scared to lose LP, but I'm not even taking this game serious.
I'm so tired, yeah, I just don't really care right now.
I really could care less. Fuck that egg, damn, fuck that birthday.
I heard that's what I heard. Oh yeah, fuck that birthday.
Oh yeah, fuck that birthday, bro. Who's there? Hello, welcome to my domain.
And he's going mid, dude.
Welcome to my domain.
I was showing them, dude. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this in
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Oh my god.
GoDaddy.com.
Go-
GoDaddy.com.
Oh, dude, I'm paying attention. Oh,
Watch out, you have like
Oh.
a 5-man edge. Oh, get that, oh yeah,
oh yeah, dude, Timbers. Oh, Timbers. Oh yeah.
Timbers.
Oh yeah. Oh. He almost landed that kill. So close, dude. So close. Look at this max range charm. Oh. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, and he's coming in clutch.
Oh wow. And he didn't. I didn't know she was on our team, dude. Oh my god.
I mean, Lily, dude.
Lulu, oh my god, dude. Did you die? Oh no, she died. For me. She died for me. I'm so sad. Feels bad, man. Oh no! Oh! Dude, not even close, baby. Not even close. Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Give me that
Oh,
cannon. Oh yeah.
What is this stream, dude? What is this stream? Dude, she got another ZZ Rot portal. What the hell, trick?
Dude, this like red is hella gated. This is zero. No.
Yo, is no one gonna go investigate where that fucking ZZ Rot is? Is this real life? I like how Lulu ulted me and fucking died for it for no reason. Get memed on. Just kidding.
Alright. Let's go. Wish a nigga would.
Wish a nigga would let me charm him again.
Dude, I don't think we can team fight. Yo, drag.
Let's bait at the dragon. Good idea.
Oh, we're gonna get baited. Oh, dodge.
Oh. Dodge like right in front of the bush.
Conics. They know we're in here. What the hell?
I mean, I'm down to
just
take.
gotta pop yourself out of there. Just pop yourself out of there real quick. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, I'm out of here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh, so close, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh. Please. Oh, and they Amumu, dude. Oh, I wish an Amumu would.
Oh my god, dude. Oh.
Dude, I think it's too late. They have their smite up, we don't.
That's true. You gonna talk to a carry like that?
Yeah, don't talk to a K like that. Mind your own beeswazzles.
Oh my god, that insult's so good.
Oh.
Transmogrify, you bitch! What the hell? Fucking transform yourself into a big penis. What the hell?
These guys are really talking about my flash. Oh my god. Dude, I'm sleepy, dude. I'm drunk.
Yo, try and steal this dragon. So close.
Kevin, yo, that's all you...
That was so close, dude. Almost had it. Did you see that? Did you see how close I was to that shit?
That was hella close, dude. Oh my god, dude. Tilted. Tilted how close that was.
Look at this Amuma, dude. Making the plays. The carry. The real carry's here.
He's gonna be like, oh my god, flash for KS.
Yeah, he's gonna be like, oh my god, dude. I can't believe you just flashed for that. I can't believe you did that.
Oh
Wow.
my god,
I'm so tilted.
what the fuck? Just to look at that item tilts me.
The color purple tilts me.
Yeah.
We probably sound like a bunch of retards, bro. Oh my god, we like to play League of Legends. You ready to see these dank plays, dude?
Yo, go on that, go on that. Bet you want this.
Yo, you ready? You ready to transmogrify?
Big. Go big, go big, go big.
I'm about to go massive, dude.
Oh, rip this Renekton. Rip Recton. Oh, Kevin. What the hell?
What the hell?
What the fuck?
Flash forward for the KS. Oh my god, this Annie. Oh my god, this
my
Annie.
god. Oh my god. Oh, go on that, go on that. Oh, shit.
Oh shit, dude, she's gonna do damage. She's so massive. Oh, dude, look at how big she is. Look at how big she is, dude. Oh my god.
Yo, stay next to me.
Dude, did you see that charm though? After dash.
Oh my god. I
We're so
almost
good.
died.
Someone just came into Discord and is just listening to this.
Yo, wait, yo, what up, man?
Yo, what up? Yo, what up, dude? Yo, hello? Yo, what up, dude? I'm so fucking good at this game. Squirrel power, what the hell? What does that even mean?
Oh! A moon. Oh!
After all the insulting you guys were doing with each other and then fucking, oh the god,
No, that was nice though. He dodged it and like he keyed away. Like,
and then
I'm
they're
not
gonna
even lie,
continue.
dude. Appreciate greatness, dude.
Appreciate greatness, yeah. This is why I'm
Oh my god, Renekton, what the fuck?
Oh.
Renekton, dude. Oh my god, Renekton.
Trigasm in the chat.
Tremendo.
Get big, dude. Oh wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh!
Can I 1v1 this Irelia? Probably. She's got fucking Shiv though. Which tilts me. Alright.
Why does she have shit?
Oh, oh I'm so dead. I'm walking around. Oh, I'm so dead. Oh my god. I'm so good at this game.
Oh my god, I haven't died once, dude. I'm so tired. What the fuck?
Oh god. Ooh, so good. So good at this game. Trick Ari gets him in the chat, please. Ari no ult. Or I mean, yeah, an Ari no ult. Let's be real.
Yeah, dude, you don't have ult, man.
Yeah.
Good shit, dude.
Oh wow, the QSS though.
Oh, what the fuck? And a QSS tilted, dude.
Oh. Oh, okay. You cute in.
Bad, dude. Oh my god, so good.
So good.
Oh my god, Recton, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Recton. Oh no, dude. Oh no, dude.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get a pentakill.
It's good for him right here.
I'm gonna get a pentakill.
Pentacryl. Dude, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it big.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my god, pentakill.
They're going to Baron?
Oh, pentakill!
Oh my god. So close. Yo, why doesn't Moo have a rain cloud over him? So sad.
Sad time, dude.
Oh, I really do. We can kill this bitch.
When your ADC flames you.
Portal pushing the fuck out of bot lane.
Dive this Aurelia, dude. Watch this, check this out play. UFO porno.
Oh my god, he would hook and take the kill. Oh my god.
Oh my god, he flashed for that, what the fuck? I got you, my homeboy.
What's up, dude?
Oh,
Was it worth
pentakill,
it?
what the fuck?
Was it worth it? I think it was
Oh
worth
my
it, dude.
god.
I risked
Oh
my
god,
life
I
for
flashed
that.
those skills too.
I flashed for everything, dude.
Oh my god, dude, I flashed for everything. Chaos, dude. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck is this game?
I mean, ZZ Rot's just gonna destroy bot lane, but whatever.
Are you guys ready for the big plays?
I'm ready.
I don't think you're ready, dude. Like, I'm about to make a big play.
I'll
right
bet
here.
you guys. Amun was like, don't take this tower too. I'm only trying to take everything.
Yeah. Oh my god, hello,
Oh my
Vayne,
god.
what?
Alright, let's do this. Let's find that ZZ Rot portal.
Dude, I prefer shooting on.
I prefer split
Oh
pushing.
my god. Yeah, dude.
Is it still there? That's
Oh,
probably gone.
shit, I'm coming.
Look at this minion clear. Look at this way clear. Look at this way clear. Right here, right here, right here.
Oh shit, I'm about to get it. Oh my god, I'm about to get dead, dude.
What the hell?
Let's try back the fuck off.
Is ZZ Rot still there? No. I'm here, dude. I'm ready for the engage.
Oh my god. Oh my god, engage, dude. What the fuck?
Oh my
Engage, yo.
god. Engage
Oh my
you.
god, ult is so strong, dude.
It's got much presence, dude.
Yeah, dude. That's why everybody's scared right now.
Oh, I don't want to walk into that alone. Hello.
With that loner over there.
Punk ass bitch.
Birthday cake looking ass.
Birthday cake looking ass.
Oh, we're about to get ulted. Fuck. That's right, bitch. Come back. Come back to my team, bitch. I couldn't get anything with that ulti, dude. I'm tilted. What the fuck?
Is ZZ Rot still there? Is that just naturally pushing by itself?
Oh. Wrecked on, dude. Alright, guys. He's gonna be back in the meantime, dude. So I don't think we should go for this.
Oh my god, did you see that?
Oh my god, what the hell, Kevin? Oh my god, dude.
Oh,
my
so
god,
good, dude. So close, not even close to BB.
Oh,
I said so close, not even close. Oh, this is easy portal.
and it did. Oh my god, about to do a
So good.
Rage Blade on Vayne, dude. Oh shit, I might be dead, dude. Don't worry, I have QSS, dude. Fuck.
I'm coming for that booty, yo.
I ain't scared, I got QSS, bitch. Wish a nigga would.
I don't know why I'm not backing, but whatever.
Oh,
Oh, dude, didn't even get to egg. What the hell? What the hell is this game? Anyone on your team build Portal ASAP? For real.
Oh, Alter. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, melted, dude. What the fuck, destroyed.
We're just
Oh
gonna
my
let
god,
this
the Vayne.
tower destroy us.
Let me get some lifesteal. Oh,
Oh,
oh my god. Right there, lifesteal. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, dude. He's coming for me. He's coming for me. What the fuck? I'm about to be so tilted if you guys let me kill, or if you guys let him kill me. Oh my god, dude.
Oh,
my god,
we're
dude.
so good at this game. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude. What the hell? None of us died. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Legit, we're so good at this game. I don't know why we're not
Legit, dude.
challenger.
Legit have 5,000 gold on me right now, dude.
Legit have like money on me.
Dude, I'm racking it up, fam.
Dude,
They're
money.
trying to go for a kill and we all back. Fuck. Tilted?
Yo, they're gonna get it on that.
I think I'm actually tilted, dude. Alright, you're about to see the greatest Vayne play of all time, Kevin. Don't, you know, just too hard. Oh. Oh, yes! Oh my god, this is so. Oh, Lucian wants this. Hell no, you ain't getting it, bitch. That's mine, dude. Wish a nigga would.
Wish a nigga would go mid lane, but
Yeah, man. Nice to see jungle Ari, dude. You changing the meta?
yeah, you did. You've never heard of this?
Nah, dude.
It's so good.
Yeah, I heard.
Legit, look. You walk into lane and then you just do this. Get 3 minions on the way to lane, dude. And then you go there.
Yeah, dude.
And then you get 3 more minions, right? So good.
Oh, okay, okay.
I mean, we're just pushing
Bear in
out
mind,
to every single.
Okay,
Yo, I'm so done.
Am I doing it correct?
Yeah, dude, let it reset. Yeah,
Alright.
there you go. You're doing
Good
it right.
times, dude. Good times. Oh my god, dude. Come to him, no balls.
Yeah, no balls, dude. It's not like we're fed or anything. I'm so fucking utility.
Oh, get. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get condemned, you fucker. Get condemned, like real life. Get condemned, dude. Fuck. I'm about to get a penta. Come on, guys. Help me. Help me. Oh my god.
Oh, so close.
Oh, real life. Legit had a penta, dude. Oh my god, shit, how to control 6.
Oh my god, I can't believe we won.
Fuck. Get melted, nigga. Melted, nigga.
No!
Oh my god. There's
Oh my god,
fucking
hello! Oh, no one's gonna take that, oh my god. That Lucian calling though was A1, not gonna lie.
Couldn't end. That guy's tilted, dude. That guy's actually tilted. Same. He's asking for assistance and roll down. Guys, help me, help me. Alright, legit gonna actually end the game now. Because I'm trying to go to sleep.
I'm trying to fucking sleep.
He said thumbs.
Yeah, dude, what the hell? Who says that?
Thumbs, dude.
Team help! Oh my god, team!
Oh my god, damn.
Wait,
thumbs.
actually, I think
Back
they're
at
at
it
Baron,
again.
dude. What the hell?
Wait, what the hell?
Legit.
What the hell? Kevin, legit, he got a pentakill, dude. Get that, get that. Oh my god, you're so good. What the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. GG, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're so bad. What the fuck? Oh, you're about to get stunned, dude. She ain't shit, dude.
She ain't shit. So free, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, dude, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Inhib? What the fuck? I'm tilted. I'm actually tilted. I'm actually tilted, dude. Gotta get this penta real quick, dude.
What is this
Actually
ZZ
got
rot
better
though?
earlier, dude. I actually QS.
Oh my god, dude. My LCS stats are so good.
Oh my god, dude. I got one more than what I usually get, dude. 16 LP. No longer 15. Wait for it. 16 LP. Oh my god.